Stressed about your first trade show? You're not alone. What if you could step into your event with total confidence, knowing every decision you made is set to drive profit and success, all with just 1 hour of prep? Meet 60 profit-pulling trade show hacks in 60 minutes. This quick-fire course is packed with proven moves to make your inline booth stand out, draw in more leads, and maximize your ROI. From marketing tricks to cost-saving tips, this program gives you the know-how to make every square foot count. No more guesswork. In just 1 hour, you'll learn the insider secrets to attract visitors, save money, and make a lasting impact. Imagine turning every trade show into a lead-generating success. That's the power of 60 profit-pulling hacks in 60 minutes. Don't wait. Grab your spot in 60 profit-pulling trade show hacks in 60 minutes. Get ready to make every show your most profitable yet.